Hey everyone, today we're going to walk through how to enable the emergency SO feature on your Android device. Let's dive right in. First, open up your settings. Once you're in, you'll notice there's a search bar at the top. Go ahead and tap on it. Now you'll be directed to the emergency SOS settings. Tap on it again to start configuring it. Next, you'll need to set it up to ensure everything works correctly. Simply press Start Setup and follow the prompts. The first thing it will ask you is to enter your emergency contact number. For my location, the number is 112, but it will automatically show the appropriate emergency number based on your country. Once that's entered, click Next. After that, you'll set up the emergency actions. By enabling emergency SOS, your phone will automatically dial emergency services when activated. You'll also have the option to share information with your emergency contacts, which will notify them in case you're in danger. You can choose to skip this step if you want. You'll also have the option to enable video recording during emergencies. If you wish, you can set that up or skip it as well.
Now,
It will ask you to choose a gesture to trigger the emergency SOS. You can either set the phone to start the action by holding down a button for 3 seconds, or have it begin after a 5-second countdown. Choose your preferred option and tap Next. You'll then be instructed to press the power button 5 times to activate the emergency SOS feature. Once you've done that, hit Done and you're all set. That's it. Your emergency SOS is now configured. Let's see if it works properly.